And a Harvard University study done by a man named Barryfell, it's called Saga America, which you may be able to get in your library, although historians have waged war against his work, to the point where he had to put it underground. He was a person who translates different languages. And so they found the writings of many different peoples in America, in pictographs. They found it in caves. They found it in different rocks, different parts of America, and a type of scribbling which they thought was the scribbling of the native people. Barryfell and his team came to find out that it was actually the combination of an ancient Libyan script and Kufic Arabic. He took this proof to Benghazi, Libya, in Tripoli, Libya, and he brought scholars, UNESCO scholars, Arabic-speaking scholars, to America to investigate the information. And startling proof of Islamic presence in the Southwest, in California, came to light.